So one of the ways that we can classify angles is by their measures. And we have three broad classifications that we use. One is a right angle. That means it's 90 degrees. Um, there's an acute angle. Acute is less than 90 degrees. And obtuse, which is greater than 90 degrees. Now here we got this exercise here. Well, we're asked to classify each angle. We got four of them that we're going to deal with as right, acute, or obtuse. Then it goes on to talk about using a protractor. Now, or at least I don't have a way, or I haven't figured out a way to use a protractor here to use these videos. So I'm going to skip over that for this exercise, but you want to do that. Go in there and get a protractor, and you put it there. You put the center of it there at the vertex, and you line it up against one of the sides, and then you use the other side to determine what your measure is going to be. But we're going to just classify these as, in this video, as just either right, acute, or obtuse. And I'm going to start with the second one, which is angle CFA. And you'll understand why here in a minute. So first I want to identify CFA. Well, C, start at C. V is going to, F is going to be the vertex. And so there's CFA. Now, if I look at points A, F, and E, well, those are on a line. And I can also see here that CFE is identified as a 90-degree angle. And one of the things that we're going to learn is if I've got, so this angle right here is 90 degrees. And CFA, if I look at it, it forms an angle such as this. And these two angles, CFE and CFA, form what is called a linear pair. And a linear pair is equal to 180 degrees. These are supplementary angles. Well, if CFE is 90 degrees and it lies on the same line as angle CFA, then CFA has got to be 90 degrees. That's the definition of a linear pair. So CFE is a right angle. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's see, we're asked to find AFB. So AFB is this angle right here. Now let me go in here and AFB. Well, AFB is part of this angle CFA, which is a right angle. And so CFE, both by visual inspection and the fact that it's less than 90 degrees, because it's an angle smaller than CFA, well, it's got to be acute. All right, now let's see, AFD. Well, AFD, well, it's greater than 90 degrees because CFA is 90 degrees, or AFC is 90 degrees. So AFD, I see, is a little bit larger than that. And so this has got to be obtuse. And then lastly, CFD. So CFD. And again, like AFB, it's an angle. This angle here makes up the angle CFE as part of that. And so obviously it's less than 90 degrees. So CFD is also acute. Now, let me encourage you to get your protractor out and find the actual measures of angle AFB, AFD, and CFD. Notice all of them have a vertex of F. And it'll be fun to do.